the Bonfire tool roll. Let's check it out. Tool rolls have been around for a long time. It's a very convenient way to keep your tools together. It makes it really compact, more than a toolbox, easy to carry in your vehicle, have around, especially if you're working on a project. Over the past couple of years, I've really gotten into tool rolls for more of a tactical survival type situation. One of the big things is I can keep a lot of different items right there. I roll it out, everything's just at your hand. You know, even for knife collections, flashlight collections, whatever you're doing, this is a great way to keep them protected and yet just be able to, again, to just lay it out and see where everything is. This is the Roaring Fire Bonfire. This is a new tool roll from Roaring Fire Gear. What's really cool about this is that it has two sections. And then here we've got the separate little smaller section. We'll look and see how this works. It's got a hidden zipper where you can leave this in the tool roll or you can remove it and, you know, have two different options. And if you watch the channel, you know I'm a big fan of tool rolls, and I'm going to show you why I love these things. And we really appreciate Roaring Fire Gear for sending the Bonfire for this review, and you do get a 10% discount using Sootch 10 at roaringfiregear.com. Now this is the Bonfire tool roll from Roaring Fire Gear. We're going to talk about why I personally love tool rolls, some of the advantages over your standard bags. Not that they replace backpacks or different pouches, but if you're really working out of a bag and you need to find things quickly, the tool roll is one of the best options. Now Roaring Fire has a number of different ones. By the way, this is not an affiliate. I'm not being paid to do this. I know these guys over here, and I just love their tool rolls. So I do this because I like tool rolls and I get a new tool roll. Now they're introducing the black on orange. Makes it really high visible, easy to see, and yet it still has kind of a subdued color. Makes it a nice contrast. This does have a really padded grab handle. Comfortable, easy to grab. I find that a lot of times with different packs and things, this is invaluable. But we also have a shoulder strap, so if you need hands-free, you can throw this over your shoulder. It is fully adjustable. It has D-rings with these little keepers, and they are removable and they're swivel. The straps go all the way around the pack, and we have reinforced color. This just gives the sides a lot more strength. Of course, we have the Roaring Fire logo right here, and then we have our Fastex buckles. And of course, these are also adjustable, but the more full this gets, obviously, the less room you're going to have. Now, this is a duckwear canvas material. It's heavy duty. It is water resistant. It has been coated. It's not waterproof. Now, there are two sections to this, and we have this fold out. It comes out. We have some mesh pockets. We have a large pocket here, YKK zippers throughout. And then we have the larger compartment here, and we have a flap to protect, you know, whatever you've got in here. You have 8 little sleeve pouches here at the bottom. You have 8 elastic sections to be able to put the small things. And then in the back here, we have a large sleeve that goes all the way down to the bottom, and there are 3 different options for that. And then we have a mesh pocket here at the end. I like this because you can just look in and see what you have. Again, YKK zippers. And so it just fits a lot of gear. And two, the big thing about tool rolls, guys, and this is my #1 thing, I can lay this out. I know exactly where it is. Now the beauty of this setup, you protect your tools. We have this separate pouch, and this actually comes loose. So we bring it over, We have a zipper back here at the back. We just unzip it, and now we have a separate tool roll. This gives us another pack. We can do a lot of different things with it, pack different things. I love that this zipper is hidden. You can't even tell it's there. This cover just kind of comes over it, so you don't really even feel like that this is a two-part setup. It's very natural either way. And then with this, the zipper's on the inside again, and so it makes it really easy to be able just to use without this zipper hanging off, and it feels incomplete. There is a hook right here where you can hang it from different things, fences, your car door, grab handles, just, you know, the back of a door, especially for toiletry items. You lay that out, go ahead and fold this up, and then we bring in our Fastex buckle, clip it, and now we have a separate tool roll. Then we take this tool part of the tool roll, roll it up, and of course we'll have to adjust it. Now we have two separate rolls, and you can combine these into one. Just makes it very versatile and modular. Now I love tool rolls mainly because if I'm working on my car, I can just lay it out. I can get to all the things that I need. It's just right there. It's very convenient. I'm not putting a toolbox up there, and I can just get to it. But also just putting tools in there. I mean, that's a great place to be able to stow away in your car. It takes a lot less room than a toolbox. So you can just have this laid out. You can use what you need, roll it back up, and it's just compact. And that's for EDC items. But then if I want collections, I have a knife collection I keep in a tool roll. And I'm telling you, I use that all the time. I can find the knives very easily. They're not in a box. They're not in some kind of pack. I know where they are, and they're all laid out for me to see which one I need to get to. You could put flashlight collections. You could put multi-tool collection. Whatever you have that you use a lot of and you're into, you can do it. Of course, survival items are also a big plus. Retail price is $46.99. You get two pouches in one. It's very modular, and that's on the roaringfire.com website. And of course, you get the Sootch 10 discount, which you get 10% off. The discount code doesn't work during sales, but then you're getting savings anyway. Free shipping and lifetime warranty. It's a great way to get organized. So guys, if you've never checked out the tool rolls, or you're looking for another one to be able to organize your gear, check out the Roaring Fire Bonfire. I've never seen anything like it. They're good quality. With the two pieces, that just gives you a bonus. And combine them together or use them separately. And again, it just gives you more organization. And guys, it's so easy just to lay this out and see everything you need right there at your fingertips. And again, we appreciate Roaring Fire Gear for sending the Bonfire, and you get a 10% discount using Sootch 10 at checkout. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. Bring around your, no, there you go.